I'm Scotty.
Hey, I'm Melinda, and we are Simple Life Big Adventures.
Today we're inside a CTC, cargo trailer conversion.
Yes.
And it is amazing.
Yep. Camping this week at Itchy Tuckney Family Canoe Campground. We met some folks from Michigan. We met Jason and Shelly from Michigan, and they have so graciously let us come inside their home, and we're going to show you what their conversion looks like.
So let's take a quick look at this cargo trailer conversion.
All right, guys, we are here to introduce you to Jason and Shelly from Michigan, and they're going to show us their CTC. So where we're going to start back here in the gooseneck, right?
Yep.
All right. I'm gonna jump up here. This is where their bed is, a queen size bed, right?
Yep.
A king size bed. Oh my gosh. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, and this is the side door. We just walked in.
I imagine this is where y'all maybe sit down and put your shoes on, take your shoes off, maybe?
Yep. Look at this beautiful woodwork. All right, they have a full-size shower in here, guys. Look at this. And this is galvanized?
Gavaloon.
It's what?
Gavaloon?
Gavaloon. All right, so we've got Gavaloon walls. That's new to me. I didn't know that.
From the Amish.
I love it. We have Gavaloon walls. And the ceiling, my goodness. We're gonna walk in to the living space. Look at all the bright lights. I love a well-lit. I love a well-lit room.
Oh wow!
That is a lot of lighting. Yeah, I see why you keep half of them off though. But yeah, it is beautiful. Okay, so Shelly, what was your when Jason was building this? What did you tell him? You told him that
I don't love it, I'm not gonna stand it.
Exactly. So he has built, I believe, every wish she needed to love this travel trailer. I do too. It goes well with her yellow sunflowers.
I painted it and then I anti-glazed it. That took me a lot of work.
It looks good.
That's a lot of time.
Yeah.
It was.
Yeah.
Now, is that a full-size refrigerator?
Let's turn around here to the kitchen.
I think is what that would be called would be like a dorm style. It's a 10 cubic foot.
All right.
From Home Depot.
A 10 cubic foot fridge in here.
Yeah.
Yeah. And this sink, this is amazing. I know most of you ladies are gonna love this great big sink. And storage, how have you found your storage to be? Lots of storage, plenty of storage?
Not enough.
Storage.
You never had enough storage.
I guess you never have enough storage. And it's all still a work in progress, right? So, are any of us ever happy with any of our space?
I think you're always constantly changing.
Yeah.
You know, the more you use it, the more you learn about it, and then adapt to it.
Even in our van, we adapted this trip.
Daily.
So we're still adapting.
So what's the height?
7 foot.
7 foot.
7 foot?
I'm like 5'9", so there's plenty of height.
Space there.
Yeah, and the width is 8 foot wide.
8'6".
8 foot 6
8 foot
wide.
6 wide.
And how long?
35 feet.
35 feet.
10 foot is the bedroom.
Oh yeah.
And my water tanks are back behind that back wall.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yep.
In the gooseneck part?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Those two back doors that fold, there's two 35-gallon tanks that sit back there.
So this is a big trailer, and what kind of vehicle do you tow with?
I tow it with with a Ram 4500.
Ram 4500 diesel, right?
Yep, diesel, but it doesn't need the 4500. I just brought this one down. I just didn't want to bring my 3500 down. But a 35 or a 3/4 would pull it easy.
Yeah.
Because this is an all aluminum trailer.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh yeah, so it's lightweight.
That's down weight.
Yeah.
So I'm weight.
All right, so you're talking about your water tanks. How do you pump your water in here? What is it? Is it a electric pump?
Right now it's hooked up to city.
Oh yes, yeah.
But I do have a 12 volt pump underneath the sink there with a pressure tank.
Right.
So
to equalize everything.
Do you have any solar?
No solar.
No, so do you plan on doing any solar?
I did, but the guy actually right next to us is solar.
Yeah. Our solar guru neighbor.
Yeah, we were gonna order some lithium batteries from China, but he thought the wording was a little wrong, so he told me to avoid them. And with the ships being stuck up to sea, it would be like 52 weeks, I think it was. Was it 52 weeks? Yeah,
wow, that's a long time. Yeah.
Maybe it wasn't 50. Maybe it was. Yeah, it was going to be a long time.
Yeah.
We were
and I didn't want to put the money into it and then be down here and then
Do you have any idea of how many hours you've invested into this build?
No.
A lot.
Because I know originally you said you was only 1 day a week. You was dedicating 1 day a week because of work.
Yeah, 1 day a week, all the way up till December, and then I had 3 weeks to get this part completed.
So that you can make this.
Yeah.
And this is your
voyage, maiden voyage.
Yeah.
Maiden trip, first trip.
Yeah.
Yep, this is the first trip.
And our kids help so much.
Good.
You know?
Yeah.
We said we need help with the ceiling. And
Yeah, and that was the biggest part with me because I can't do the ceiling by myself.
Right.
I mean,
Well, it is
our
beautiful.
girls were awesome.
Yeah.
They helped a lot.
That's awesome. A lot of folks that we know travel with a dog. So, what positives or negatives can you say about traveling with your pet? I know we all love our pets.
The positive, I would say, is if we get anybody around the trailer at nighttime, he alerts us.
Yeah. So you're awake.
Yeah, so that's my positive.
Yeah.
The negative part is we can't, like what you guys did today, and go do an 8-mile canoe.
Right.
And we love our dogs. I mean, we love our dogs, but we do not travel with them because it would restrict us so much.
And the parks out there either say no dogs.
Yes.
And a lot of them do say no dogs. But,
And if they do allow the dogs, like you said, if you want to go do stuff, you can't leave the dog in the trailer.
Can't leave them in the trailer.
Yeah.
Well, you can.
As long as they're not barking.
Right.
Right.
Yeah. And we can't control that if we're not here.
Yeah. You don't know what's going on.
So how long has this trip been for you guys? How long have y'all been down here in Florida?
We got down here January 2nd.
They're avoiding the snow.
That's right.
Well, I was still building this. Otherwise, I would have loved to have left early. But she said she wanted to do Christmas with the kids, so that was a big part of it too. But so December 26th, we were supposed to leave out, but I was still building. So I think it was the 29th, and I'm like, let's just finish the rest of it so that we can.
Yeah. All right, guys, we're not going to take up a whole lot more of your time, even though I could just show this trailer just keep showing parts of this trailer. But there is a feature to this trailer. What is your favorite feature? That's a good question, really quick.
Mine is the shower.
The shower,
It is
of
nice.
course, of course.
It is.
Hot showers.
It's important to have a good space to go into, to be able to move and get clean and be comfortable.
In your own space. That's awesome. What is your favorite?
My favorite, I would say, is a TV, watching TV.
Hey, that's awesome. That is a great TV to watch.
Now, is this mounted or is it just sitting there?
It's just sitting there. I got to build a, I think it's called a French cleat, and that'll get screwed to the wall and it'll just sit on there.
Okay.
But I'm gonna wait till I get home back to Michigan to do that.
Yep. All right, so one of the very first things I noticed about your trailer, which I can say it's my favorite feature, is the door on the back of the cargo trailer. It does let out, and you have this beautiful patio outside, and the doors. What gave you the idea to do these doors? I can edit, I promise.
Well, we bought it like that.
Okay.
Oh, I didn't know it was already put in
Yeah, I
here.
remember
trailer.
that. You told me about that.
Oh.
Snowmobile
Okay.
trailer.
Yeah.
So they would go to
I
the
thought she knew
races.
that.
No, I didn't know that. That's why I was like,
Yeah, that was a
what
tricky
gave you this
question.
idea for this? But I like it.
Yeah.
That's the reason we bought it.
So it was a snowmobile trailer,
Yeah.
doors
they would
open,
wait.
like
And
barn door style.
You can see where the back of the
Oh,
snowmobile used to rub
yeah,
on
yeah,
there.
yeah.
Because
So
I
they
imagine
would
they
go
had
to
a
the
pack full through
races,
here.
and
Right?
the family would sit in here, you know, after they haul their snowmobiles, and then the family would sit in here and watch racetrack.
Nice.
Oh.
Have the doors to
With
be able
that
to
big
stay
heater
warm.
That's
Yeah. Yeah.
right now. Yeah.
Plenty good. They had a good idea, and you're benefiting from it because that's a great view.
It is.
A great view, and then the door that lowers down is your little patio deck area out there.
Yep.
Pretty awesome.
Flock.
We're keeping the neighbors out.
We forgot to lock it last night.
We'll step out here real quick. Not disturb text too bad. That's a good heater. Oh yeah. Okay, so one of the things I'd like to say is we've met some lifelong friends here on this trip to Itchy Tuckney, and we really appreciate you
Yep.
showing us through the camper.
Yeah, no problem.
Yep.